Friends, I am Dr. Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy Podophyllum. Full name as above, short name as above. Common name Mayapple or wild lemon. Source plant vegetable kingdom. Therapeutic uses of Podophyllum: Gastro-intestinal disorders like acidity, Bilious attack, Cholera, infantum, Diarrhea, Dysentery, Dyspepsia, Flatulence, gallbladder, liver affections, constipation, headache, affection of female genital systems, etc. etc. There are so many therapeutic uses. Spheres of action of Podophyllum: digestive tract, liver, glandular structures. Constitution: makeup of the body: person suffering from gastrointestinal problem after abuse of mercury. Children suffering from diarrhea during dentition. Temperament: bilious. Miasms: syphilis and sora. Is Podophyllum hot or chilly patient? Affected by extreme heat and cold, that is not fully hot or fully chilly, but affected by extreme heat and extreme cold. This is a picture of the plant. Mental journal of Podophyllum. Imagines he or she is going to die or be very ill. Winning type. Restless, cannot sit still, disgust for life. Fever paroxysm at 7 am with loquacity, talkativeness during chill and heat stage of fever, and sleep during sweat stage. You know, fever has got so many stages: prodromal, just starting, then chill, then heat, finally sweat. These are the stages. Physical journals of Podophyllum. Considered as vegetable mercury, that is, this is the symptoms of Podophyllum is like mercurius, our medicine, common medicine, most versatile medicine. It is considered as vegetable mercury, Podophyllum. A remedy for bilious constitution. Patient constantly rubbing, shaking in the liver region. I have shown the area. Chiefly affects duodenum, liver, intestine, rectum, ovary, scapula, throat, and right side of the body. Mind it, Podophyllum is a strong right-sided medicine. Mainly affection of right side is covered by Podophyllum. Relaxation of sphincters, prolapse of uterus from overlifting. Shows alternating condition like diarrhea and constipation, headache and diarrhea, etc., or headache in winter and diarrhea in summer. Profuse thirst for cold water with foul tongue, having imprints of teeth on sides. These are the imprints of teeth. You carefully note, you can see that teeth imprints. Chronic morning diarrhea, profuse, painless, putrid, polychromatic, different color stool, with prolapse of rectum, drowsiness and desires to stretch of the patient. General modulation of Podophyllum. Words: early morning eating, hot weather, dentition, during acid drinking, acid fruits, milk, before, during, after stool, motion, mercury. So many factors are there for making the condition worse. Better, rubbing or shaking the liver. Lying on abdomen. Head symptoms of Podophyllum: rolling of head from side to side with moaning. During dentition and from business, worry. Darting pain in forehead, better from closing eyes. Headache alternating with diarrhea or better from diarrhea. Eye symptoms: jaundiced eyes. Look at this figure, jaundiced eye. Face symptoms of Podophyllum: hot cheek, flushed during diarrhea. Again, face also jaundiced. Mouth symptoms of Podophyllum: burning, flabby or rough, indented, broad, large, moist tongue, coated with crushed mustard spread on it. With imprints of teeth on sides. Intense desire to press gum together. Grinding of teeth. Offensive odor. Bitter taste. Loss of taste. Cannot tell sour from sweet. Everything tastes sour or putrid. Throat symptoms of podophyllum. Sensation as if a lump in the esophagus. As if a lump in the esophagus. Actually, this is known as globus hystericus. Many of us feel this symptom. Something from stomach coming up to the throat and making a lump sensation there. This is called globus hystericus. Actually, hysteric acidity, it is also called hysteric acidity. Craves acid but intolerable. Vomits. Hot froze milk. There is vomiting of milk by infants. Hot shower eructations or smelling like rotten eggs. Constant gagging. Gagging in infantile diarrhea. Thirst for huge quantity of water. Cold water. Abdomen symptoms of podophyllum. Abdomen distended with uneasiness over liver region. Rubs to get relief. Pictures already shown. Here I have also shown the liver region, that is uneasiness. Sensation of weakness and sinking in abdomen after painless, profuse, putrid, polychromatic diarrhea. Polychromatic means various types of stool, various stools of various color. Summer diarrhea with involuntary stool during sleep while passing flatus. Morning diarrhea better lying on abdomen. Worse from washing in case of children. Eating from canned fruits, acid drinks and milk. Diarrhea alternates with other symptoms like constipation with pale, hard, chalky stools. Jaundice with gallstones. Gallstones means actually gallbladder stone. This is the picture of gallbladder stone. Moist, foul piles. That picture has not been demonstrated here. Rectum raw, sore, weak, prolapsed. Before stool, after parturition, during pregnancy, on vomiting, on sneezing from mental excitement. Parturition means delivery of child. Urinary symptoms of podophyllum. Frequent urination at night during pregnancy. Enuresis, nocturnal passing of urine on bed, generally involuntary. Diabetes mellitus and diabetes insipidus. Diabetes mellitus, you know, this is simply for lack of particular hormone, you know, which burns the sugar. Since the sugar is not burned due to lack of that insulin hormone, diabetes mellitus occurs. It is a common disease, but lakhs of and crores of people living with this diabetes mellitus. But diabetes insipidus is something different disease where ADH hormone is missing, anti-diuretic hormone, and in absence of that hormone, there will be huge urine. Huge means unthinkably huge, maybe more than 100 liters per day, and the patient generally doesn't survive after they born with this particular disease, diabetes insipidus. But also diabetes insipidus, it is written here that one can try this medicine here also if it is available. But during my lifetime, I have never seen a patient with diabetes insipidus. Male genital symptom of podophyllum. Disease of prostate gland associated with rectal problem. This is the prostate gland. Check here. Prostate gland has 3 pieces of gland. 1, 2, 3. Here the prostate gland is enlarged, so it is pushed into the urinary bladder portion. This is bladder. Ordinarily, this bladder, bladder is in this way, but this is pushed into bladder because it is enlarged. And when it is enlarged, it is also gone backward. Backward lies the stool, I mean this rectum. So behind the prostate is rectum, above bladder. When it is enlarged, both are suffering. There is sufferings in both cases. In urinary bladder, there will be trouble in bladder also, passing in blood, stool also. Female genital symptoms of podophyllum. Pain in the region of ovaries, especially on the right. You know, podophyllum is a right-sided medicine. Naturally, right-sided ovary will be affected much. Worse on stretching the legs. Ovarian tumors with pain extending to shoulder. This is the picture of ovarian tumor. It is in the abdomen, so shoulder will be lying somewhere here. Shoulder. The pain radiates there. Prolapse of uterus on straining or overlifting of the parturition. This is the standard position of ovary. uterus, normal position. This is called anteflex and anteverted. But due to various reasons, this uterus occasionally comes down along the vagina. This is called prolapse of uterus. This is when it is already come here on the face of opening of the vaginal canal, then it is a surgical disease. But when it is just started, the patient will come to doctor and report that, doctor, I am feeling something coming out about through my vagina. Oh, please, can you give some medicine? In that position, if you can give Podophyllum, sepia, sickle, there are so many medicine in homeopathy, it will be arrested completely. It has been seen both by homeopathic medicine as well as by tissue salt therapy. It can be arrested. But once it is calmed down, I think then it is the scope of the medicinal help is very, very restricted. This prolapse generally due to straining and due to overlifting after parturition, that is childbirth. Sensation as if genital would come down during stool. This is the earlier symptom actually. Menorrhagia from straining. Menorrhagia means huge menses. Swelling of labia during pregnancy. Labia means the thick fold lying on both sides of the vaginal opening. This is called labia. This is swollen labia during pregnancy. Heart symptoms of Podophyllum: palpitations with a clucking sensation rising up to the throat from emotions. That is this palpitation. Palpitation always generally felt in the heart region, and therefore it is moving up to the throat position. Extremities of symptom Podophyllum. Extremity symptom means hand and legs. Pain in the right inguinal region, shooting down along the inner thigh to the knee. You know this inguinal region, the region where both legs attached with the trunk, that is called inguinal region. Therefrom pain moves along the inner thigh to knee. Paralytic weakness of left thigh. Left side means left side of the organ. Left side of the body here. Extremities means leg and hands. So paralytic weakness of that side. Cramps in the calf during stool. Pain along ulnar nerve of both arms. Ulnar nerves, I have given a picture here. Ulnar nerve. This is our hand. Forearm. In the forearm there are two bones. On the outer portion, this is called radius. Inner portion, ulna. U-L-N-A. Bone. This is the name of the bone. So nerve running along this ulnar bone is called ulnar nerve. Then pain along the ulnar nerve, you feel some tingling sensation, some burning sensation, various types of nerve. When nerve is excited, there will be various sensations. Generally on the left half, inner half of the palm, and also along this bone. Skin symptom Podophyllum: moist, warm, jaundiced skin. This is jaundiced skin. This is normal skin face. This is jaundice. Sleep symptoms of Podophyllum: moaning and whining during sleep. Sleepy after paroxysms of malaria. Fever symptoms of Podophyllum: chill at 7 am. Loquacity during fever. Loquacity means talkativeness. Profuse offensive sweat during sleep. Complementary: Netramule. Related medicine: Mercurius, aloe and China. With this, the video ends. Thanks for listening, viewing. If you feel any problem, please write down in the comment section. I would certainly respond.